If you want to add or change keyboard language on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then first of all we need to open the settings. We're gonna scroll down in settings a little bit and we need to go to system. In system settings we should be able to find keyboard options, so let's select it, then go to on-screen keyboard and choose Gboard because this is the keyboard that we use by default on this phone. Now once we are here you can go to languages. And in here, in order to add a new language or change a language, you can just tap on add keyboard, and then of course you can choose the language that should be added. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this one quickly. You can also sometimes toggle multilingual typing if you want to use it, and you can choose the layout as well. And let's tap on done. And there we go, we have added a new keyboard. If you don't need the old language that was set so far, then you can of course remove it. You can tap on edit in the upper right corner, then you can select the language that you want to remove and then tap on remove here in the upper right corner. You can also change the order of these languages, so if you want to use a couple of different languages you can of course choose the order. You can use two languages or more at the same time on your keyboard, and you can switch between them while you are typing. That is not a problem. If you open your keyboard, then usually you can for example press and hold your finger on the spacebar in here, and then you can choose the language. You can also find this globe icon in the bottom right corner, so you can tap over here and then you can see on the spacebar which language is currently selected. Sometimes you can find a dedicated language button on the keyboard right next to the spacebar instead, and I believe if we go to preferences, then yeah, there we go, here we have the language switch key which we can activate as well. So then when you open the keyboard, there we go, this is the icon that I talked about, so we can just tap over here as well. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.